Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with another 2 trades. I did the dollar CAD and then the pound dollar. This was based on dollar weakness. It went right down to 1. It's at 9% right now, and in real time the CAD was up at the top, but the CAD all of a sudden got very weak, and that's one of the reasons why it's not doing much of a move, and main reason why I do 2 or more trades each day that I'm trading is because I never know which one will move as compared to a pair that might just go like sideways. So the dollar CAD looks like it's doing that because, as you can see in the meter, the CAD and the US dollar, they're both down at the bottom. So let's take a look at this dollar CAD. I took both the trades at about 13 minutes to 7 a.m. I like to get into trades between 6 and 8 in the morning, manage the trade, and then close the trades and be done for the day. Usually I'm done between 9 and 10 in the morning, and it's only 8:45 at this moment, and I am now finished trading for the day. Let's just drag and drop this up. I got in at this point. Now I knew there was a possibility that I can go do another cycle, and all I was trying to do as I was watching the meter was just try to get some pips. Okay, I got in at this cursor right here and I closed it out, it looks like, with only 3 pips, and 3 pips on the dollar CAD paid $425. I teach exactly how to be trading, especially at the right hand edge, and of course using the meter. The meter helps a lot, and I would not trade without it. And as I said, right at this point, the CAD was right up at the top, and it quickly dropped. And when I saw this, I knew that I had to get out of the trade with even if it's only a few pips. So let's move right along to the next pair. And by the way, on both of these pairs, they were a great way to trade. It has at least a 90% success rate as long as you follow the rules that are within the training videos. Okay, let's move right along to the pound dollar. Drag and drop this up, see where I get in at. Did do a bit of a pullback right here, but I knew it was beginning of the session. As I explained, you got to know the proper times to trade. This way here, you'll get a higher success rate. In other words, trading at the beginning of the session is much better than trading 6 hours later, whereas the market could do a pullback or just go sideways. So again, took the trade 13 minutes to 7 a.m. at this cursor, and looks like I closed it out with looks like about 19 pips, and 19 pips paid $3,620. And as you can tell on the meter, this one still has potential to go up more. But as I said, once I looked at the pip total and the money wise, I was basically happy with that for less than 2 hours work. So remember, all you got to do is get good at trading in a demo account before you go to a live account, and depending on your account size, you'll do quite well at trading once you get to standard lots. And as you can see on this pound dollar, it's another perfect example of a great way to trade. Missed the cycle, did a pullback here, which I'm not too worried about, as everything was telling me it's going to continue to go up more so. And once I know that the trend direction, and I know the cycles and the way that the flow of the market, once you learn all of these things, then you can take the trade. Sometimes you will get the timing right on, and other times you gotta, you got to wait for the next cycle. So if your system is not producing successful trades on a daily basis, I suggest you get your hands on the master trigger, and to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video, and you'll see this write-up. It's my master trigger system. I do charge $250 for. This package comes with over 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now it comes with 4 MT4 templates, 8 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Now I also included a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and this is training and education which will teach you how to trade the Forex markets. This is what you need. Remember, it's not so much the system, but you need the education, either books, Word documents. I really do prefer videos because I'm a visual person, and that's why I lean a lot on videos. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, so I teach a lot of ways to trade, and that's why there's 42 training videos along with 9 bonus videos. Now my number one way of trading is a great way to trade. You're looking at a perfect example. I teach exactly how to trade this way. And here it is right here, a great way to trade. Now all my trigger systems are really, really good systems, but the thing that makes the master trigger system a little bit better, and I just completed it about a month ago, is within these 5 subjects right here. In each and every video I give a lot of advanced trading tips. Now I also teach how to get near perfect timing entries. Now as you can see in the charts on this side, pulling the trigger right here would be perfect, but it's very hard to get the timing right. But I do teach you how to go about it and aim to get the perfect entry. Also teach how to stay in the trade for more pips, as this trade right here, I still do not have a sell signal, and I could have stayed in the trade, but as another reason why I closed the trade was it hit the ADR, gone past it, and on a higher time frame it's hitting strong resistance, and that is why you're seeing it go flat now. It's having a hard time to break through the higher time frame resistance. Now over the next, say, hour, it can break the top and keep going, but another thing is I'm concerned that it already hit the ADR, so I'm not expecting another 100 pips. Okay, and also teach how to trade at the right hand edge, like right here. This can easily go up or down, so you have to be careful in this area. And also teach how to trade higher time frames. And also show many examples of great trade setups, in other words, what it should look like exactly before you pull the trigger. Also teach how to backtest the master trigger, how to scalp the market, how to scan the market. I teach how to trade all 3 sessions here, including this London close. Also teach how to trade pullbacks. When it comes back to the moving averages, I teach how to trade in this general area. Also teach how to trade reversals. Now if it breaks the goal line and keeps going down, then that is what I call a complete reversal. Also teach how to trade around the goal line in this little area right in here. Never did come back to the goal line, but price sometime today before the New York session closes it will come back and hit the goal line. And I teach how to trade that. That'll probably be around the London close, which is about 2 hours from now. And as you can see, from here down to here alone is more than 40 pips. That's what that 44 stands for right there. Pips from the top to the bottom of the blue box. Okay, and also teach how to trade the news. This is one of the most difficult things to do. It is doable, but if you're more interested in making pips and money, then I suggest you focus on a great way to trade. And I also teach you how to trade with a day job. In other words, either before you go to work or after 9 to 5 when you come home and you be trading the Asian session. And that's for people in North America. Or even in South America, it's all the same thing. Traders in the other side of the world, Europe, they just automatically get up in the morning right around here. They trade the London and then they trade the New York. They actually have it the best. But I don't want to be getting up at 2 and 3 in the morning as I am sleeping. So if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I actually do answer the phone. And if you live too far, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I do prefer Skype. I made it easy for you. Just have to click on this link. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. Lasts about 45 minutes, depending on how many questions you have for me. Now, over the course of many, many years, I developed 27 trigger systems. If you want to see screenshots, all you got to do is click on this link. So I do believe that just about wraps up this video and another day of trading. And of course, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.